Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect YouTube thumbnail only to find that it doesn't quite capture the attention you hoped for?
Stop it. Get some help.
Well, what if I told you there's a way to revolutionize your thumbnail creation process using the power of artificial intelligence? Yes, you heard that right. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI to create stunning YouTube thumbnails that not only grab attention but also drive clicks and engagement. So, if you're ready to take your channel to the next level, stick around because you're about to discover a game-changing technique that will transform the way you approach thumbnail design forever. So let's head over to this site called copilot.co and type this prompt. Don't worry, it will be in the description. All the sites I will share here are 100% free. All I'm asking is for you to kindly subscribe and like this video. After typing the prompt, let it generate the images. This may take a few seconds. As you can see, it has generated 4 high-quality images. You can choose the one that you like. As for me, I will choose this image. Click on download to download it to your PC. Next, we go to this site called Clipdrop. This site will help us turn the generated image to a size that fits the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. Scroll down to this place written uncrop and click on it. Click on this blue box to upload the image that we generated. Click Next, and if you don't have an account, they will ask you to sign up. But don't worry, you can just log in with your Google account. The image will automatically start generating an extra layer to fill the space on the sides. This may take some few seconds. Since it is AI generated, it may create random characters that don't rhyme with your image, and you can click to create again until you find the one that you like. I like this one, so I am going to download it. Next, we go to canva.com. Don't worry, I will put all the sites in the description, so follow along. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like if you're ready to unlock a world of captivating thumbnails and see your channel soar to new heights. Click here on Create Design and type YouTube thumbnail. After it loads up, click on the side where it says Upload and then upload the image that we generated. Click and drag the image to the white dashboard. Adjust it to fit the dashboard fully. Next, we are going to blur the background to add our text. Click here on Edit Image. Scroll down and select Blur. Increase your brush size to 100. Start shading the background slowly to blur it. Now that we have blurred the background, next we are going to add the text. Now let's head to this site called Text Studio. Don't worry, everything is free here. Here you can find a variety of cool text designs that you can customize and download for free, depending on your desire and what you feel will work for you. Okay, now let me choose this design here named Clean. Now you can edit it by writing the word you want to use as your text. For this tutorial, I will write YouTube thumbnail. After you are done, click on download and make sure to download as PNG transparent. We will now head back to Canva. First, let's head over to Elements and add the YouTube logo to add more details to the thumbnail. You can add any element depending on what your video is about. Now let's add the text that we generated. Click on Uploads and then go to Downloads. After uploading the image, click on it and resize it on our thumbnail. This logo looks so plain. Let's add some glow to it. Head over to Elements section and search glow. Let's use this one. Drag it over to the logo and increase its size. To bring the glow behind the image, right-click and select Layer, then select Send Image Backwards. Basically, that's how you create a high-quality thumbnail with AI. I am going to create more tutorials on more thumbnail designs, so please subscribe and turn on the notification so as not to miss any video.